Kasi,
Hey guys, I got an egg and I'm
parang ilang...
This is
I'll help you open it.
I got it.
Malapit lang to din doon.
Wow, egg! Wow, gummy.
What's that?
Gummy bear. So guys, ito na guys yung box.
Walang
So
salita.
I'm gonna open it.
Meron
I'm
siya.
already opened. Me too.
Pero di ko na-check.
And I
Meron yan yung
put
ibang
that.
Kaya kasi
Look,
nasa
I have a
baba, pero lang
lollipop.
sasagot.
This is mine. So we're gonna try. Oh my god.
Parang hindi nagsasalita yung nakausap natin.
So guys, we're
No.
gonna try to open it.
Ta-da!
Aray ko. You want to eat the
gummy
gummy bear?
bear.
You want to eat the gummy bear? What? Ay, yan. It's a duck.
Baka dito, check natin. Alam ko yung part na to eh. Yung
We're
Jex,
gonna wait.
kung ano yung katabi ng Jex sa Google.
Oh, what's that, Drew?
So we're gonna open it. What is in the
Ay,
side?
alam mo na yung...
Ah, alam ko yan.
Ouch.
Sa may ano lang yan.
Hmm?
Duck.
Pag pupunta ka ng kasa,
So guys, this is
Daladaanan
what
mo
it
yan.
looks
Kung ang
like.
dami rin nakano yun,
Can you
nakapila.
see? It's a beautiful.
na
Ilagay ko po lahat yung mga yung walang
Kasi meron
plastic.
mga isa hindi ko na nakakaano.
Oh no!
May mga sasakyan pa na nakaano dyan.
Shoot the egg.
Baka. Pero kalis na
inalis na nila yan.
Drew's mother is right beside.
Hi.
Pero at least nagkaroon ka ng...
I can't open it. This is what it looks like. And look, I got a red duck. Let me open it. Let me see the red duck. Ah! Isa lang.
Mas magkano lang yung binabayad nila doon sa shop.
So this is what it looks like. It's like a duck. Can you see? Ah,
Ano naman, motor shop. Ay, baka dito.
it's yummy. The red.
Shop parang ano.
Auto supply. Vlogs, auto
Yummy,
supply.
the red.
Yummy, the
Ano
red.
yung sa,
Can
ano,
you
Suzuki?
open?
Okay.
Ay, doon lang malaw.
Yay.
Tanong sa Google. O doon na
Oh,
pinagawa
so yummy.
ko. Baka doon na.
I know. Guys, hear this. It's so satisfying. Did you hear that? I don't think you heard that.
Kasi mga ganyan, pag sa mga shop, mga one time per family.
Mura lang.
Ay, tita Dindin. Sige na. It's a gummy bear. Open mo nga tita Dindin ng gummy bear.
No, hindi niya kinakain. Kasi may kinakain pa siya.
Look, it's a dinosaur.
Wala na.
No, this is ate.
No, Drew.
Kaya tawa dito ito.
Is holog-holog na.
Let's go open it all. So guys, I got it. I got it close.
Oh, Drew, here's your, surprise egg. Uh-oh!
Let's kalat na.
Ano, nipis lang yan.
Where's the other one? Hulog ka. Ate, pakikuha please. Thank you. I say,
Say
thank you for
goodbye,
watching
Drew.
your
Say
video.
goodbye.
3,000 meron, di ba?
Ay, meron pa. Okay.
That's mine, Kala. Ay. Akin na, lapit ko.
Thank you for watching our video.
This one.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Oh no!
Ito lang. Tama.
You have to subscribe to
Ito na palitan.
Drew's chicken.
You will fall.
Tadindi.
Yes.
Ay, ayaw niya? Subscribe to Chicken Nuggets. Ay, ayaw niya? Ayaw niya. Tita Dindin's chicken nugget. Wow, and like the video. Wow,
Wow!
Kain ito?
egg.
Ito? Pag
Can you open it?
bumibilang nga, pero may mga pinto. Alam nila. O kahit hindi lang, kainin.
Ate.
Thank you. What is color?
Pero yung
So while you guys are waiting, just watch this. Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Oh no! Ala! Papa! Yung suka! Oh my God, Papa.
Hey, that's mine. Wow. Irin. That's Ates. Kunin mo yung, bigay mo sa kanya yung egg.
Oh.
Ay!
ito ba yung egg niya?
Wow. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe to Chicken Nuggets. Yeah. Bukas na naman.
Dapat ikaw mag-vlog.
Yeah.
Mag-vlog ka, i-upload natin. Magaling ka pang magsalita kaysa dun sa kaibigan ko.
Kaysa sa akin, sabi mo ano.
Oh, tsaka kaysa. Yun na, mag-vlog.
Ayaw.
Imbes na siya sa high school, 3 sa week, tas ilang araw lang.
You tell me that.
Wow!
Ilang araw yung...
I'll open it.
Ilang araw na lang mag-start na.
Magre-review ba?
Tapos,
Papa!
3 araw. 3 araw yung phone.